Hello, I'm going to introduce to you Smart Electric Shock Collar Little Devil jointly created by locking Can't Kill It. First we put one end of the collar through the opening at the other end and then button it. Put on the matching lock and you're done. In the use of the need to plug in the detector in order to obtain better results. Then we took out the instructions and scanned the QR code with our phones to download the app. Thus, downloading the app for the first time need to sign up first. After registration, we enter the app. Long press the device for 10 seconds to turn it on, and then connect the device via Bluetooth. Once the device is connected, we can operate the mode we like through the phone. This device has replay modes for players to choose crawling, locking, and following one's heart. Select the mode you like and click the lightning icon to start playing. Players can select the shock mode and adjust the voltage according to their own needs. Click the lightning icon to give an electric shock. Long press the button to give an electric shock according to the preset shock mode. With the need of the controller, the climbing mode is used to limit the climbing height. If the wearer exceeds the height, he will be punished by frequent electric shock. The trapped mode can restrict the moving range of the wearer according to the needs of the controller. If the wearer exceeds the warning line, it will continue to receive electric shock. The custom mode allows the controller to set different electric shock modes and adjust the electric shock intensity according to the player's needs, including untrapped mode and climbing mode. After use, exit the app and shut down the device. When you need to charge the device, take it off and plug it in.